Good morning, children. Class 8. Today we will learn about Chapter 6, Predefined Functions. Let us start. What is predefined function in Excel? To make calculations easy, Excel provides many pre-written formula. These formulae are called predefined functions. Whereas an Excel formula is created by using cell addresses, constants and various types of operators. For example, equal to 1 plus 2. This is a formula. You know formula starts with the equal to sign. Here 1 and 2 will be added because plus, which is the mathematical operator, we have used. But you can use it differently with function also. Here some function I have used equal to sum in bracket 1 comma 2. Here 1 and 2 will be added because sum function we have used. Now let us see what is the format of writing a function. Functions accept the values in the form of arguments. Children, arguments are written in bracket with the function and each function is identified by its name. So the format will be equal to function name and the arguments which are written in the bracket. For example, equal to sum in bracket A1 colon A20. Here I have taken the range A1 to A20. So all the numbers which are written in the cells A1 to A20 will be added up by the sum function. Now we will discuss few commonly used functions in Excel. Let us start with the ABS function. It returns absolute value of the given number. For example, if you write equal to ABS in bracket minus 68, the result will be 68. That means ABS function returns the positive value of the negative number. You can use cell address also in the formula. If cell A4 contains minus 85 and you write equal to ABS in bracket A4. So minus 85 will be converted to positive value and 85 will be given as the result. Next is int function, which returns the integer part of the given decimal number. I have taken one decimal number as 145.87. So if I want the integer part of this number, I will write equal to int in bracket that number 145.87. So the result will be 145. If cell B4 contains 13.58 and you write equal to int in bracket B4, so you will get 13 as the result, which is the integer part of that given decimal number. Next is sqrt function. It returns the square root of the given number. For example, children, equal to sqrt in bracket 144 I have written. So the square root of 144 will be 12, which will be given as the result. If cell D4 contains 64 and you write equal to sqrt in bracket D4, so you will get 8 as the result. Next is sum function, which adds the given values and returns the sum. You can add many numbers by putting the comma in between them. So equal to sum in bracket I have taken some numbers 5, 10, 15, 20. So all these numbers will be added up and you will get 50 as the result. If cell A1 contains 4 and A2 contains 6. Now here I have used the formula equal to sum in bracket A1 comma A2. So 4 and 6, the numbers which are written in A1 and A2, which will be added up and you will get 10 as the answer. Now children, mod function. It divides the first number by the second number and returns the remainder. So you have to give two arguments here in the bracket. First will be that number which is to be divided and the second number which divides that first number. Equal to mod 38 comma 4 is written. So 38 will be divided by 4 and you will get the remainder in the result, that is 2. If cell A1 contains 49 and A2 contains 5, so 49 will be divided by 5 and you will get 4 as the result if you use the formula equal to mod in bracket a1 comma a2. Next is round function, which rounds the given number to the specified number of digits. I have taken one number 235.76 comma 1. So this number will be rounded off to 1 decimal place. You will get 235.8 as the result. If cell A2 contains 473.678 and I write equal to round A2 comma 2. So see what the result will be. It will be 473.68. Next is count function. Children, count function counts the numeric values given in the range, given in the arguments, and it leaves the text entries and the blank entries. So equal to count in bracket some numbers I have taken, count how many numbers are there. The result will be 5. If cell B1 contains 4, B2 5, B3 7, B4 9 and I use the formula equal to count in bracket B1 comma B2 comma B3 comma B4. So it will count how many numbers are there. There are 4 numbers which will be given as the result. Now max function returns the largest value from the given values. Suppose these numbers I have taken 12, 25, 70, 8, 9. So out of these numbers, the maximum number, which is 70, will be given as the result. If cell B1 contains 14, B2 contains 45, B3 contains 27 and B4 contains 39. So I write equal to max B1, B2, B3, B4. The result will be 45. Similarly, we have min function, which returns the smallest value from the given values. Equal to min in bracket 12, 25, 70, 8, 9. These are written in bracket. So the least value among these numbers, that is 8, will be given as the result. If cell B1 contains 14, B2 contains 45, B3 contains 27 and B4 contains 39 and you write equal to min in bracket B1, B2, B3, B4. So the answer will be 14, which is the least value among these numbers. Next is len function. Len function returns the numbers of characters in the given text string. Children, len function can be used with the text strings. Now if I write equal to len in bracket green, I have taken the word green over here and see the word is written in double quotes. So how many characters are there in this word? There are 5 characters. So len function will count the number of characters in this word. Now if cell A3 contains my country and you use the formula equal to len in bracket A3, there are 9 characters in these 2 words, children, but it will also count the space. So total 10 characters are there in this text string. So len function also counts the number of spaces. Next is left function, which returns the leftmost characters from the given text string. I have taken the word sunrise over here. See the formula equal to left in bracket sunrise, which is written in double quotes, comma 3. So 3 characters from the left hand side will be counted and given as the result, which is SUN. And if cell A3 contains be kind, I have written equal to left in bracket A3 comma 2. So 2 characters from the left hand side will be counted and given as the result. They are BE. Similarly, we have right function, which returns the rightmost characters from the given text string. Suppose honesty is the word. You write equal to right in bracket honesty. See, it is written in double quotes, comma 2. So 2 characters from the right hand side. They are TY. If cell A3 contains be kind and you write equal to right in bracket A3 comma 4. So cell addresses, children, they are not written in double quotes. The 4 characters from the right hand side will be KIND. Next is lower function. It converts all the uppercase alphabets to lowercase in the given text string. That means all the capital letters will be converted into small letters. So I write equal to lower in bracket friend I have written in double quotes. So if friend is written in capital letters, they will be converted into small letters. Similarly, if cell A3 contains India and I write equal to lower in bracket A3, A3 children see it is not written in double quotes. So this word India will be converted into small letters. All the words, all the characters in this word will be converted into small letters. Similarly, we have upper function which converts the lowercase alphabets to uppercase in the given text string. So equal to upper in bracket be cool, I have taken these two words. They are written in lowercase small letters, and the upper function will convert these small letters into capital letters. If cell C2 contains smartness and you write equal to upper in bracket C2, these letters which are written in lowercase will be converted into uppercase by using upper function. Now next is trim function, which removes all the spaces from the given text string except for the single space between the words. Generally we use one single space between two words. So trim function removes all the extra spaces in between the words. I have taken one text string, how are you? You can see many spaces are there. So if I use the formula equal to trim in bracket how are you, it is used in double quotes. So you will see extra spaces are removed and one single space you can see in the result in between all the words. Now if cell C2 contains my best friend, this text is written in cell C2 and you use this formula in any other cell equal to trim in bracket C2. So the extra spaces in between these words will be removed, will be trimmed off, and only one space you will see in the result in all these three words. Next is rept function, which repeats the text given number of times. You can repeat any text or you can repeat any character given number of times. Suppose I have to repeat hello word 3 times. So I write equal to rept in bracket hello. The word which you want to repeat will be written in double quotes, comma 3, that means 3 times you have to repeat this word. So hello, hello, hello you will get 3 times, but see no space will be there in these 3 words. Now if cell A2 contains asterisk character, you want to repeat asterisk character given number of times, that is 5 times. So you will write equal to rept in bracket A2 comma 5. So asterisk character will be repeated 5 times, but no space will be there in between these characters. So children, I hope you have understood all these functions properly. You can use these functions in any worksheet also. I have designed one worksheet for you. You can practice this. In this class 8 result is given. Roll numbers are given in one column. Names are written for students. Then marks in different subjects are given. You can find total, average, maximum marks, minimum marks in this worksheet. So children, you will apply all the functions which you have used in the formula to calculate the total, average, maximum and minimum marks in each subject. You can use these formula or functions in any worksheet. I hope you will practice it more. Thank you children.